Good morning, friends. I was online and I was checking out a few videos and experiments that you can do at home. And when I was going to try them out, I thought, let me video them so this way we can all make predictions together and see what happens when we put certain things together and how the chemicals or the different items react. The first thing that I was going to try is it's called a moving spider. And the supplies that you need for a moving spider is a dry eraser marker and a little bit of water. I have not even a quarter cup of water, but you can just use a little plastic cup from the bathroom, or you can use a measuring cup from your kitchen. Whenever you're doing any type of experiments at home, make sure that you have an adult with you, just in case the reaction with the chemicals is something that needs an adult supervision. Okay, so when I was getting a plate together, what they want you to do is they want you to draw a picture of a bug or a spider. In our case, we're going to do a spider because we're talking about pets, and I don't know whether I want to have a spider as a pet, but we're going to do a spider. So I was going to do it on the front of this big plate, but then I was concerned that what if the reaction didn't turn out the way we planned? So I turned it over and I saw words on this other side. So I looked for a plate that on the back side of it doesn't have any words. So we can use this as the demonstration, just in case it doesn't work out the same as it did online. So what I'm doing is I'm going to get the plate. I'm going to draw a picture of a spider. Spiders have how many legs? 8. Spiders have 8 legs. 1, count along with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this spider has 8 legs. Now, to create the reaction, we need to put water onto the plate. So I'm going to move the camera so this way we can see our reaction. So let's see. Okay, here's our plate. And I'm going to pour the water. I used water that was cool water. It wasn't ice cold water from the refrigerator, and it wasn't hot water. Okay, ready? I'm going to put the water onto the plate and fill it up just until it won't go over the rim. So the reaction is supposed to be that the spider will now move around the plate. The reaction is supposed to be that the marker, the dry eraser marker, and the water causes the marker to lift away from the plate. So if you conduct this experiment at home, you can have some fun with the spider and see if you can have him move from one side of the plate, to the other side of the plate. And look, when I touch it with my finger, look what happens. It all gathered on my finger. So that is why we need to have an adult around. This way, if there's a reaction that we're not expecting, they can help us. Okay, so try this at home. See you for our next experiment.